Alright guys, it's your boy Habib Educate. It's been a long time that I uploaded. Always that's what I've been saying. I've been busy. Yeah, I've been busy. As I told you earlier, I left Ghana, some months and a few days ago. I did a video and the video was about Qnet. And a lot of people came in bashing me. And I've received insults and some of the comments I have to delete them, and so I went through a lot under the comment section, and all the people who were attacking me were the Qnet staffs. And some also came and they were like, oh, like they were very happy and they are thankful for me, publishing that video, because they got some few friends who were trying to lure them into the Qnet business. I didn't say in the video that I posted that no one should join Qnet or someone should join Qnet. I just brought out some few points and justify my point, and I myself was a victim entering this Qnet business. But I think people misunderstood me in that video. What did I say wrong? Let me play the video for you guys to hear itself. And after that, I'm not going to play the full video. Then after that, I'll bring out some of the comments that the people, typed, or some of the comments they leave. And with that, I think you yourself, you will make your judgment. And I'll also show you some places that you could go yourself. Try to type the Qnet in the search box and see a lot of videos with a lot of people confessing, or a lot of people bringing out some of the experiences they had with this Qnet stuff. No one should judge me. Let me play the video. As I told you earlier, I have done a lot of research concerning this Qnet thing, okay? And I have had some past experience some years back. I have a lot of friends who went through some of this experience to understand that they've been in the business before. I said I had some past experience some years back, okay? And that was one of my school fathers who was trying to lure me into the Qnet business. I've been there. I went to one of their premises. I saw how they were recruiting. I saw some of the bosses there, and I even entered there was a secret room, or let me say a private room, where they brought in a Muslim guy because they realized I was a Muslim, to come and lure me, to understand that the guy ended up telling me that the Qnet business, or that kind of, or the way of doing that business, is in the book of Hadith. So he was just trying to convince me, and I told them my dad had the money, and they said, where is he? I told them my dad is in Cote d'Ivoire. So what they told me was, so far as he speaks French, they also have some people who speak French. So what they will do is I should give them my dad's contact. The moment I gave them my dad's contact, they contacted him and they gave it to the French guy, but I wasn't there. So my dad told me some people called him and they were like, this is a kind of business and their son and whatever. So my dad said he was also a victim, but fortunately for him, he wasn't scammed. So he told me it's a scam, so I shouldn't join the business. But I don't know the reason why these people are attacking me in the comment section down below. Let's continue with the video. So whatever it is, I will digest everything on this channel for you to know and understand and know your stance, whether you are with it or against it. Whatever it is, it's your opinion. Finally, I can decide it for you. What is the secret behind Qnet? The truth about Qnet is that the only way to earn an income with Qnet is through product sales. Is that what is happening in Africa? Yourself, the only way to get an income in Qnet is through product sales. So previously when we went there, that's what they told us. But as I went through, my school father told me the amount I have to invest was 5,400 Ghana cedis. And listen, I can't remember the last time I even saved 2,000 by then. Okay, 2,000 on my own by then. And you are telling me, and it was just some few months after completing high school, and you are telling me to bring 5,400. Where am I going to get it? And he's telling me I can join it as a student, and Qnet will support me, and it will travel with me abroad to give me products like laptop and other stuff. So they were just trying to lure me, and when I get the money, then that's it. So finally, there was this particular lady among them who was calling me. She was disturbing, and she was even telling me, even if it is a construction work that I'll do, and carry blocks, get the money and come and pay. Just imagine me carrying block, in Ghana we call it pongpo, doing all this with the sweat, then I'll pick 5,400 Ghana cedis and just dash it to you. That won't happen. Then you didn't meet Habib. And some part of the world, is it based on only the sale of products? Whatever it is, we will know further. This is unlike a pyramid scheme that relies on recruitment. But is that what is happening in Ghana? Is that what is happening in Cote d'Ivoire, in Nigeria? And if you realize, I mentioned Ghana, I mentioned Cote d'Ivoire, and I mentioned Nigeria. The reason why I mentioned this African country was that I had some friends who were also victims, and most of them were coming from these countries. I watched a video, and that video was a victim from Ghana who was lured to go to Cote d'Ivoire, but that's where the business is. That's what they told him. So he went to Cote d'Ivoire with huge sum of money, and finally he realized it was a scam. At the end, this Qnet staff realized this guy wanted to run away and come back to Ghana, so they were chasing him so that he won't run away from them. Just imagine if this was a legit business. I'm not criticizing the business, but that's what happened in Africa and in Cote d'Ivoire, to be precise. And I had some friends also in Nigeria who came to Ghana, some few months ago. When they came, they were staying around our house, or should I say our area. And you know what happened? They lured them that a football academy they should come and join. These people drove all the way from Nigeria, came to Ghana. Finally, they realized it was a Qnet business. Their money got finished. Now they were searching for lorry fares to go back to Nigeria, and they didn't get it. So they came to us, and there was one day I was there with my brother, and they came and they started sharing the story. This is what happened, and they are now trying to find out whether they will get some cash and also, bought their car back to Nigeria. That's the story of the Nigerians also. And in Ghana, there was a guy whose girlfriend was in Dubai. She was, doing well. She was doing a lot in Dubai. This guy lured her that there was a new business that is coming up in Africa, and it's in Ghana. So she should come. When she comes, she'll get more money compared to what she's been getting in Dubai. This girl, because of the love she, have for the boyfriend, she also believed him too much. So she came down to Ghana, and finally she realized it was Qnet, and they duped her with all the money she has. And that's, let me give you last story. In Ghana, what happened? I have a friend whose cell phone, he's a Nigerian. He ended up dating a young girl, and he ended up dating a young girl. The girl was from our area, not knowing the girl was part of the Qnet business. So when she realized the guy, fell deeply in love with her, she convinced him that this is the business that's coming up. He was also trying to, inform me about the business, but I told him I knew much about the business, so he shouldn't join it. It is a scam. He said, no, I don't know what I'm talking of, but his friends are making huge sum of money. He even met friends that he knew them from Nigeria. I said, my brother, this is a scam. He said, no, it's not a scam. Some 2 weeks later, this guy came and told me they duped him to, no, 6,000 Ghana cedis. So just imagine. Now he's calling the girlfriend, she's not picking up, and she also had another boyfriend there that, mostly they'll call when he's trying to, tell them or beg them for the money. Then they will end up insulting and laughing at him. So finally he said he will bring a policeman, and they said yes, he should bring. So you see, there's a lot of things that is happening. So when I'm talking from experience, but I don't want to go much into the video. You can go there and watch it yourself. And let me give you some of the comments that these Qnet staff were attacking me with in my comment section. So as I told you, after saying a lot under that video, a lot of people attacked me in the comment section, and some of the comments were not making sense, and I don't know why they were attacking me. And I know the people attacking me, I'm sure they are the Qnet staff, because we are trying to reveal their secrets. Most of what they are doing in Africa is a scam. So the video title was, have you ever came into contact with Qnet staff? And I put, then watch this. It's part of the videos that I did. And these are the comments. So there was one guy who said, thank you for the free publicity. Anyway, do your research, or if not, you are making no sense here, my brother. False witnesses, and this is against the Holy Quran and Bible. Look at you, pastor or malam. What are you trying to do? Trying to advise me? Okay, I got you, bro. No fight, no violence. Yes, but the thing is, a lot of people have, been victim, and me myself, so I know what I'm talking of. Okay, I also did my research. If you talk of maybe countries outside Africa, let's say Pakistan or India, that's a different thing altogether. But in Africa, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, and Nigeria, to be precise, I had an experience in Ghana, and I also have friends who experienced this Qnet scam in Cote d'Ivoire and Nigeria. So I know what I'm talking of. Then there's another one who said, "Who are you to tell us what to do? It is very good, but Ghanaians don't get it right." Who told you? We have a lot of Ghanaian Qnet staff who are scamming, and a lot of them have been arrested in Koforidua, to be precise. So I don't know what you're talking of. And another one said, "Please, if you don't have any idea of what you are saying, put stop to it, okay? If you are not ready to change your life, wait. When you are ready, then can you come." So when I'm ready, I come. Where I'm not going anywhere. I know what I'm talking of. I think what they are saying doesn't make sense. Another one said, "When I get you, you will join." Ah, by force. I like your spirit, but let me advise you. Better go find a better job, sweat, and get your income. That's halal income. Who are you to tell us what to do? It is very good, but Ghanaians don't get it. That's what you think. I said, "My brother, learn more before you tell yourself if you had known." That's it for today's video. These people are not making sense. Just go into the search box, dial Qnet, go through a lot of videos. Which language? I know a lot of people in your country yourself who has been victims have spoke a lot about this Qnet business in your native language. So by all means, you get it there. Guys, if you are a victim of these Qnet scammers, let me know in the comment section down below. And if had a friend who also has been scammed, let me know in the comment section down below. And what I said, whether it's true or not, let me know in the comment section down below. It's your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon as usual, so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace off.